wherever you are watching. Welcome to yet another episode. I'm your host Dolphin, and today is such a special day. We finally have a chance to see the current construction updates of Kasarani. Do you think Kenya is ready to host CHAN? With only 24 days remaining. So I want you to watch this video till the end. Let me know what you think about the current construction updates of the Kasarani. If you are here for the very first time, please consider subscribing. Give this video a very big thumbs up and let's do this. Let's go. So we've just made a turn. I'm not so sure if I'll be allowed to get into the stadium, but I'm crossing fingers, guys. So let's proceed, let's go. If you've already watched till this far, please consider subscribing, give the video a very big thumbs up, and share the video to as many people as possible, right? Okay, let's go. Moi International Sports Center. The signboard is faded. Yeah, I think you can see the one right ahead. We've just made a turn towards the entrance. So let's go. I finally made it to Kasarani Stadium. Guys, I'm telling you, the kind of work that is happening here is on another level. I just want to walk you around this place, show you the current construction updates, and it's upon you to judge. I want you to tell me if Kenya is really ready for CHAN. We are still going up. Wow. Oh my God, guys, look at this. What? Wow, this is the Kasarani Stadium. Sasa ni nini inaendelea?
Hizi vitu unajua wenye unapaka rangi unapaka, unaweka vitu unaweka, unaweka hii hema unaweka, kila mtu
ako na kazi yake. Mataa pia zishaekwa.
Watu wanasema saa 6. Kila mtu atakuwa na mtu yuko mbele ndio muende lunch. Saa 7.
Wow. Naipenda. So guys, I'm here with these hardworking men hapa Kasarani. By the way, wanafanya kazi mzuri. Mimi nimekuja kurecord video niwaambie au watu hawajalala tu hapa. Ile kazi inafanyika hapa, my friend. Hey, is on another level. Hebu msalimiane.
Hi.
Na mmechangamka aje?
Mmechangamka kuliko Kasongo.
Mmetoka lunch, si ndio?
Tumetoka lunch.
Kazi inaendelea aje?
Kazi inaendelea poa. hata unaweza ona kila mahali tuko kazi. Hata unaona tumepanga hizi vitu vizuri.
Vitu mmepanga.
Kila kitu iko sawa. Unaweza ona hata uwanja venye iko.
Wow.
Kazi tu.
Hii ni nyasi mlipanda?
Hii ni nyasi.
Naona TV. The other side they've already placed a very big screen.
Yes.
And up here you have lights. Hizi ni lights?
Lights and shades.
Oh, lights and shades. 40 watts. And these are seats.
Yes.
So basically kila mtu hapa ako na kazi yake.
Kila mtu ako na kazi.
Kuna wale wa kuweka viti, wa kuweka lights.
Kutoboa madrill. Mastima, hata wakupanda nyasi wako. Tunaweza ona venye wanapanga nyasi.
Okay. Na ninasikia inafaa iishe by 20th.
Yes.
Mnadhani mtaweza? Chan lazima. Sawa, hiyo ndio moral tunataka. Sawa, asanteni sana.
Yes.
Na muendelee kufanya kazi mzuri.
Tumeshukuru.
Sawa, mimi naitwa Dolphin.
Yes.
Napatikana YouTube Dolphin 254 na TikTok.
Yes.
Mtaniona huko. Na dansingi kidogo hapo TikTok. Mnaweza ni follow. Dolphin 254. Sawa. Sasa mnaweza enda kazi nisiwaharibie kazi.
Sisi tunafanya tu hapa.
Hapa? Sawa. Haya. So mimi ndio nawaharibia kazi. Sasa acha ni keep company kidogo.
Sawa.
Haya. So watu wanatoka saa ngapi?
Saa hii ni saa 11 lakini usiku ni saa 8.
Usiku ni saa 8 ya usiku? So usiku hapa kuna lights kabisa. Wow. Men at work. That's good. Nimerealize watu wengi wamepata kazi hadi wasichana.
Kila mtu.
Mjengo zingine wasichana wapatangi kazi. Huku ni kila mtu. Hiyo ni mzuri. Open to everyone. Wote. So this stadium has been painted, you see. I really love the kind of work that is happening. The other side, the shades are already up. Wow, and this side, you already have a screen. They are really doing a good job. Like currently, everyone has their own job. You can already see the kind of work that is happening here. I'm loving this and I have high hopes. I think maybe if this speed continues, this work will be done in time. I don't know what you think. Leave a comment down below. If you're already loving this video, give it a very big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. So they are still fixing the lights up there. You see? Oh, these people are really doing a great job. So it's like everyone has their own duties. We have those men here fixing the lights. Yeah, everyone has their job. You see? The pitch is also being maintained. We have this one fixing the seats. are the washrooms. Yeah, they have such washrooms like everywhere. They're still under construction, but they look good. Not yet in use, but this is how they look. Yeah, they have place for water. Yeah, everything is functioning. A place for tissue and a place where you can wash your hands. So let me show you other things, guys. I believe you're already loving this. I'm back. Work is going on here very well. I was the other side. Yeah, I'm now back this other side. I want to go down. Let me go somewhere down there. There, you see, landscaping is going on. This is like a reception. Let me show you down here. Now these are seats that have already been made. The seats are ready. This is the quality of the seats. They're so nice, you see? They're already done. So here I can even sit. You see? The seats are red. They're so nice. Number 8, number 7, number 6, number 5 food. All these are changing rooms, more washrooms.